Hello, my name is Brianna, and today I'm going to talk to you about dental home care and why is it so important, what products you should be using, and how to know what products work in prevention of plaque, tartar, periodontal disease. So, what is periodontal disease? It is the condition where the tissues supporting the tooth, so the gingiva or the gum, is just inflamed and painful due to excessive bacteria. So bacteria actually turns into plaque, and then the plaque will turn into calculus or tartar, the hard substance on the tooth. And in severe cases, periodontal disease can lead to tooth root abscesses due to the bacteria deep in the root of the tooth. And it's just extremely painful, and surgical extraction of the affected teeth are necessary. And it's just a costly procedure. It's very preventable with the proper care of the teeth at home. So that's why it's very important to keep up with the reduction of tartar and plaque. So in very severe cases, the infection can even affect the bone of the jaw itself, and the bone tissue will actually deteriorate and be very painful and not pleasant for your pet. So dental home care also prevents, besides periodontal disease, prevents systemic disease, because the bacteria in the mouth and the infection actually travel through the bloodstream and travel to other organs and can negatively affect other organs of the body. The most common organs affected are the heart and the liver and the kidneys. So very important organs in your pet's day-to-day health. If your pet has a history of bad teeth and systemic disease may be suspected, blood work can be done to locate what is actually wrong, and antibiotics can be used for treatment. But that is the very severity of the disease, so it is important to stop it when it's early. Easily preventable with adequate dental care. Adequate dental care also prevents the cost and need for a COHAT, so the Comprehensive Oral Health Assessment and Treatment, or dental cleaning exam. COHAT is recommended annually, or as close to annually as possible, and in severe cases, you may need to be having that for your pet more frequently, and that is just more costly procedures adding up when you could be preventing it with products at home. So the more severe the periodontal disease in the mouth, the more cost of the procedure you will be needing for the COHAT. Full mouth radiographs may be required, surgical extraction of the teeth, and depending if there's multiple teeth that need to be extracted, that is just very time consuming, and the longer the time, the longer the cost. So how do you know what products you can use at home that actually prevent plaque and tartar, and in turn periodontal disease? There is a council of veterinary dentists and dental scientists called the Veterinary Oral Health Council, or the VOHC, and they have been dedicated their lives to studying and approving products that work in preventing plaque and tartar and dental disease. So the VOHC stamp of acceptance will be on any products in the store that they approve that work in preventing plaque and tartar. So there's many products out there, like diets, toothbrushes, toothpaste, treats, and just stuff like that. So First, I would like to talk about prescription diets, specifically formulated to brush the teeth as they chew. So the prescription diets, specifically the Hill's prescription diet, TD, is specifically formulated with a fibrous matrix of the kibble. So when it is chewed, the composition of it actually acts like a toothbrush through chewing, and it reduces plaque, stain, and tartar buildup. And actually, I have a little diagram showing this. So the tooth chews it, or you chew the food, and then the plaque is removed from the complex matrix of the kibble itself. And why are these prescription diets so expensive is because the complex testing and research that's gone into these to know that they work. And if your pet is otherwise healthy, it is a good idea to start on this diet early so that you do not have to worry about so much issues down the line, you know, with the systemic disease and everything. So there's so much testing that goes into this food that blood work and diagnostic tests on animals eating the food are performed to know that it actually works in preventing plaque and disease. So again, VOHC products are or approved products are what you should be looking for. The prescription diet is Hill's T/D, which would only be available through veterinarians, but they also have a Hill's Science diet for oral care that is available in stores if you do not have the prescription. So other than that, there are dental chews and treats that also remove plaque and tartar mechanically through chewing. And what ones you should buy, again, the VOHC website lists all of these things. So some accepted treats are Greenies or Purina. So Greenies are little bones. They're shaped like a toothbrush even. How cute. And when they chew, the plaque and tartar gets eliminated and brushes their teeth for them. So what treats you should not be using at home are bones too hard to leave a fingernail imprint in. And what that means is that the bone itself is harder than the tooth, and over time, bones or treats, over time, harder than the tooth will cause the teeth to crack. And a surgical extraction may be necessary. So, besides treats and dental or food, daily teeth brushing is very important in prevention of periodontal disease. After a cohat without proper follow-up care, plaque and tartar will build up rapidly, even after dental cleaning. So it is important to brush your pet's teeth at home. And you may be saying, my dog is not going to let me brush their teeth. And I agree. But some dogs, if you just train them to be comfortable with you touching the sides of their mouth, you don't have to worry about brushing the insides and this, because of the saliva, and their tongue actually brushes a little bit for them. So the most you have to worry about is the outside. And pets with clean teeth live longer lives. And toothbrushes and toothpaste approved by the VOHC. PetSmile is the only toothpaste approved by the VOHC. It is approved to reduce plaque and tartar and bad breath, and bad breath is a sign of periodontal disease. Toothbrushes you should be using. A child-sized toothbrush with soft rounded bristles and a flat head is the only accepted VOHC product. And besides that, other recommended products are water additives that you put in their water bowl, and when they drink, it reduces plaque and tartar buildup. And Essential Healthy Mouth has many formulas of water additives to prevent plaque, but also anti-plaque oral spray and oral gel that you put on the teeth in the gingival sulcus, where the gum and teeth meet, and that just prevents plaque buildup. And there's also dental sealants called Asanos dental sealant. It's VOHC approved, just like everything else I talked about, and you put it in the gingival sulcus again to prevent the plaque attachment. That's a lot of information, but I hope you realized the importance of dental care and why you should be following up at home.